In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export passwords in Google Chrome using the Google Password Manager. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful when you want to back up your passwords or transfer them to a new device. Let's start with exporting your passwords. First, open your Chrome browser and look towards the top right corner. There, you'll see the familiar three-dot icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Hover over the Passwords and Auto-Refill option. This will give you access to the Google Password Manager. Click on it to open the Password Manager interface. Once inside, pay attention to the left sidebar. You'll find a few different settings there, but what we need today is the Settings option. Click on it, and it will expand to show more options. Scroll through until you find the Export Passwords option. You'll see a Download button next to it. Click this button to proceed. At this point, Google wants to ensure that you're the one making this request, so you'll need to confirm your identity. Click Export Passwords to start the process, and then enter your computer password when prompted. After these steps, your passwords will be securely downloaded to your computer in a file format that you can use later. Now, let's switch gears and focus on importing passwords into Google Chrome. Open a new Chrome browser window and again, head towards Passwords and Auto-Refill to access the Google Password Manager. When you find yourself in a familiar setting, look for the Settings option on the sidebar once more. In the Settings section, you'll now want to locate the Import Passwords option. Look for the Select File button next to this option. Click on it, and it will prompt you to browse your computer for the saved passwords file that you want to upload. Select the file, and Chrome will take care of the rest. And just like that, your passwords are imported. You've successfully completed the process, so give yourself a pat on the back. Whether you're exporting to ensure that all your login details are safely backed up or importing them into a new device for seamless access, these steps will help you manage your passwords effectively with Google Chrome. Keep in mind that safeguarding your passwords file is crucial, as it contains sensitive information. Always store it securely and avoid sharing it with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your browsing experience. Thank you for watching and happy surfing.